Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na ating pong makikita para sa iyo, Virgo, at sa person mo. Others' opinions. I feel bound by my culture and my family's beliefs on how I should live my life. I am working towards breaking free from limiting myself based on their beliefs. Okay, so kung ba tipong importante kasi sa'yo yung opinion ng ibang tao, which is basically your family. At saka ano yung naging culture nyo, paniniwala, paano mo dapat ano ka mabuhay, no? In other words, how you should live your life. Medyo mahirap to kasi, lalo na kung hindi approve yung person mo o hindi approve yung family mo, Virgo, dito sa person mo, or vice versa, take it as it resonates. Kasi nga, kung gaba parang may value yun binibigyan niya ng halaga kung ano man yung opinion o sinasabi ng pamilya o yung mga taong importante sa kanya na kung ano yung nakikita nila sa person mo o sa'yo. Okay? Kasi kung gaba parang kailangan approve, no? May approval nila. Seal of approval. Para sure na okay o kaya katanggap-tanggap itong person na to sa circle nyo o sa family nyo. Now, tignan natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa tarot. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the Tower, and the Ace of Cups. Now, dito naman sa kabila, we have the Five of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Two of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Eight of Swords. Okay, Virgo. Again, I just wanted to let you know na initially ito yung side na kinuha ko para sa iyo, Virgo. But if it doesn't resonate with you, please take the other side. No, kasi sometimes nag-interchange yung energy. So, take it kung isang side ka, that would resonate. Okay, so if you're on this side, it means ito yung para sa person mo. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, so 4 of Pentacles. Ito yung energy na you are holding tightly dito sa relationship na to. No, you don't want to let it go. Hindi ganun kadali na, alam mo yun, na iwan o umalis o makipag-split, makipaghiwalay o divorce or whatever your situation is. The thing is, hindi mo hindi madali. Lalo na if it's something to do with you are getting other people's opinion. No, here is your energy, Virgo, the Hermit. That's why you've been very, kung ba parang thinking deeply kung ano yung gagawin. You know, you are, kung ba parang focusing on getting a much clear or deeper meaning or answer sa iyong mga tanong, sa iyong question. Kasi nga, oo, you get other people's opinion, especially your family, about itong relationship mo sa person mo. If you're having, maybe some questions or trouble, or sabihin na natin na yung deciding or making a very important decision for the future. So, pinag-aaralan mo mabuti. Hindi ikaw yung tao na basta-basta sasagot na, oo, sige tayo na lang. Hindi ka ganun eh. You will think long and hard before you make that commitment. Which is playing safe. Diba? Wala namang masama doon. Kasi ang kagandahan doon is because when you finally say, yeah, I have made the decision, kasi sure ka na, di ba? You're definitely 100% sure of what that decision is gonna be. Kaya kung gaba wala nang pabalik-balik pa. Kasi para sa'yo, napag-isipan mo na lahat. O ginawa mo na lahat. Kinuha mo na yung opinion nila, pinag-aralan mo yung sarili mo, pinag-aralan mo na siya, tinignan mo kung ano mangyayari sa future, yung probability of what's gonna happen with the two of you, yung mga ganon. In other words, you did your homework. You did your assignment. Okay? Now, that's why it is very important here with the 8 of Wands or Tauruses na there is a lot of communication. Back and forth communication. Okay? Kasi sa ganitong sitwasyon, Virgo, hindi pwedeng walang pag-uusap eh. Kailangan gawin mo yon so you would know what to decide. You would know what to decide. Kasi, di ba, one of the ways to get that information is, of course, you talk. Di ba, you talk, you make interviews, di ba, you make that discussion or meeting. Di ba, ganun siya, di ba? Kasi, this will be a wish fulfillment for you. Pag naayos mo to, natupad mo to, nagawa mo to ng tama, then it will be a wish fulfillment for you. No? Yung talagang, sabihin natin isa to sa mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Now, with the Tower, this is something truly unexpected. Okay, so hindi mo to inaasahan. You don't even, it didn't even cross your mind, no? Kung gaba parang uh, bigla na lang nangyari sa'yo. It caught you by surprise. Totally unaware. What is that? A new love. Virgo. May bagong pag-ibig. Something na hindi mo inaasahan na dadating sa buhay mo. Kasi kung gaba parang meron ka na eh. Meron ka nang, kung gaba parang sabihin natin, either you are already involved with someone, or you are married, or committed, something like that, no? Parang, diba? That's why I told you sa start, you keep holding on to this relationship. Hindi mo basta maalis. No? You cannot just take it off, or sabihin natin na tipong makikipaghiwalay ka na. Hindi mo magawa yun eh. Maybe because nga, kung lalo na if you're married, no, hindi naman ganun kadali yun. Lalo na if there were children involved. Lalo, di ba? Kasi, kinoconsider mo yun eh. But somehow, unexpectedly, may dumating na bagong pag-ibig. A new love. Now here on the other hand, sa kabila, there's this 5 of Swords. So, this is like, yung feeling ba na kala mo nagtagumpay ka. Yung pakiramdam ba na akala mo ikaw yung nagtagumpay? Kasi yung mga kalaban mo nagsialisan na lahat eh. Kung gumayon, bahala ka na dyan. Sa'yo na yung mga weapons namin. Alis na kami. So feeling mo, ikaw yung nagtagumpay. Kasi nakakakita ka ng bagong pag-asa. A new beginning. With the Ace of Pentacles. At sabi ng iyong intuition, yeah, I think okay naman to eh. No, I think talaga na nararamdaman ko na yeah, wala akong dapat ipangamba. Everything is okay. Kasi kung gaba I won, no? I won over this person. My person. But you are trying to make a decision. You're trying to see kung ano ba. No? Ano na ba? Ano na ba tayo sa ating relationship? With the Hierophant. This is all about marriage. It's all about commitment. Question mo na yun, ano na ba? As if you're trying to ask your intuition, ano na kaya mangyayari sa relationship namin dalawa? Because you cannot see any positive answers right now with the 8 of Swords. Hindi mo makita yung sagot sa mga iniisip mo, sa yung mga tanong. You're wondering, no? 2 of Wands, nagwa-wonder ka. Ano na kaya mangyayari sa amin dalawa? Especially if something like this happened, no? Yung pagdating nitong Tower, something unexpected na biglang new love. Para bang all the time kampante ka na okay na kami. Tapos biglang, may pumasok na iba. Siyempre, maano ka na. Diba? Parang, mafe-feel mo na, teka muna, hindi pala ako sure dito sa tao na to. Akala ko kami na eh. Sabi nga dito sa at the back of the card, kala ko tagumpay na ako sa kanya eh. Yun o. Kala ko tagumpay na ako sa kanya pagdating sa pag-ibig. Pero parang hindi eh. Kasi nga dito sa kabila, no, we have the Seven of Swords. So somebody is lying. Somebody is trying to cover up a lie. Kung ba pagsisinungaling. O pagtatago. You know? Definitely, you're hiding something or you're not telling the truth. You know? You're trying to deceive something. Yun eh. Especially, talagang i-hide mo kung merong lumabas na bagong pag-ibig. Kaya, yung opinion talaga ng ibang tao, sa sitwasyon na to, medyo bibigyan mo talaga ng halaga kasi nga, nakasalalay dito yung future. Kasi kung matagal na kayo nito, itong person mo, syempre, hindi madali. No, hindi madali. I think most of the people that you will be asking would say na pag-isipan mo nga mabuti kung talaga bang kaya mo na mawala yung ngayon, yung person mo ngayon, and harapin itong bagong pag-ibig na to. Some would say, hindi po nga masyado siya kilala eh. But bakit mo siya bibigyan ng time and effort mo? Mantalang itong dati mo, kilala mo na. Kung ba sure ka dito. I mean, more or less kahit pa paano, meron ako yung pinagsamahan. Pero ito, dahil may biglang bago, hindi mo talaga, wala ka pang alam. Pero, tignan natin. Bakit andito yung Ace of Cups? Bakit andito yung Ace of Cups? We have the Queen of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles. This new love is somebody na definitely meron siyang air sign sa kanyang chart, either Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And you see a new beginning with this person. There's two aces here. No? Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. So this is a new beginning. May nakikita kang bagong pag-asa sa kanya. And you see yourself really making a very good connection dito sa tao na to. You see na malaki yung chance o yung probability na you would work very well together. Kung ba andun yung cooperation, andun yung harmony sa inyong dalawa. Yung okay kayo, compatible kayo. You would work beautifully together. Ganun yung dating eh. Kaya siguro parang kino-consider mo siya eh. No? Let us see yung ano yung outcome. What's the outcome? We have the 5 of Cups, the 7 of Wands, and the 4 of Cups. The 5 of Cups is may regret eh. There is this feeling of regret as an outcome. Kasi you will be very defensive with the 7 of Wands, no? You're very protective of this relationship. And the 4 of Cups is something na yung nire-regret mo nga is you're trying to look back, no? You're trying to look back na baka magkaroon ako ng regret eh. Yun yung nagiging parang outcome mo dito eh. Kasi nga, yung feeling, there are two feeling of regrets here. The 5 of Cups and the 4 of Cups. You know, ito yung takot ba na may nawala. Kaya nagre-regret ako. And the 7 of Wands is something na you're trying to be very protective of this relationship. Okay? So, kasi yung pagde-decide kung sino yung mas pipiliin mo is really up to you, Virgo. It could be, baka pinili mo tong dati mo na, kaya ang nire-regret mo is nawala yung this love that you have met, this new love. Maybe you felt that this person is truly the one for you. But since you are already in this situation, na alam mo na, yung hindi mo basta-basta pwedeng iwanan, no? Hindi mo pwedeng basta iwanan. Kaya parang no choice but to face this. Pero andun yung sama ng loob mo na nire-regret mo, nalulungkot ka kasi gusto mo siya eh. You like this new love. May feelings ka for this new love. Tingnan natin kung ano yung we says here, improve your health. Baka kasi napapabayaan mo na yung health mo, kakaisip dito. There's something better. Okay? Or reconsider. Okay, Virgo. So, ang sinasabi dito sa ni Angel is, of course, huwag mo kakalimutan yung sarili mo. Diba? Even with all these things and it's really getting into you, huwag mo kakalimutan yung sarili mo. There's always something better, no? There's something better na mangyayari or something na mas magiging okay yung outcome. And Angel is saying to reconsider. Whatever your decision, reconsider it. Okay? Kasi syempre, baka hindi pa yun talaga ang dapat na desisyon. Kaya pinare-reconsider siya yun. Kung parang balikan mo ulit ito. Think again. Okay? Sino man yung pinili mo dito. Kasi this is your choice. Okay? Kaya, kung sino man yung napili mo, Angel is saying to reconsider. And because there will always be something better coming. Okay? So, kung kanino man itong energy na to na nakuha natin sa mga Virgo, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sana nakatulong ito sa iyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.